watching CBC News at 6 from Calgary.
Welcome back. If you've never been to the Leighton Arts Centre just south of the city, there's a great new reason to go check it out. A beautiful outdoor exhibit of stone carvings from Zimbabwe. Reporter Mike Vernon takes a walk on the rocky side tonight.
Just getting to the Leighton Arts Centre is a bit of a navigational challenge, to say the least, since it's off a back road in the middle of the foothills southwest of Calgary. But once you get here, it's well worth the trip. Here's why: this stunning outdoor exhibit of stone carvings from Zimbabwe. Chaka Chikotsi brought them here from his gallery in Peterborough, Ontario.
For some people, art is like a way to reflect upon the world. And for some people, it's a hammer to shape life.
There are 200 sculptures by 50 Zimbabwe artists. All are for sale for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. The proceeds support the artists as well as a rural hospital in Zimbabwe. The word Zimbabwe means house of stone, and the country is renowned for its variety and quantity of volcanic rock.
There's been names that came up like springstone, serpentine, cobalt, fruit serpentine, leopard rock.
Chaka is running stone carving workshops here with the help of another artist, Peter Jitsonga.
Peter's helping me do the hard lines on my turtle because I've done all the grunt work, like the sanding and stuff, but when I try to do the lines, I keep chipping chunks out. So he's showing me the technique of how to hold the tool and how to properly carve out sharp lines.
I find it more forgiving than wood at this point anyways, but we'll touch rock because we don't want to lose a big chunk off of it at this point.
These artists are relishing the chance to try something new.
I came out to deliver some artwork. I'm a painter and saw the exhibit and then I was hooked. I've been here for 3 days. So this is my hand and Chaka's hand, so we call it the Chakadina hand.
While the sculptures themselves look African, the themes they express are universal.
You know, the sense of family, friendship, life, death, nature, it's all connected.
The exhibit moves to Vancouver in August. In the meantime, it's a great reason to take a drive in the country. Mike Vernon, CBC News, southwest of Calgary.